Aura. An aura is a distinctive atmosphere or energy that surrounds a person, place, or thing, often influencing how it's perceived. It can describe a person's mood or presence, like the calm aura of a peaceful individual. In a medical sense, an aura refers to sensory disturbances, such as visual changes, that occur before conditions like migraines or seizures. Pronunciation. Aura. Aura. Examples. General usage. The castle had an aura of mystery that drew tourists from all over the world. Her calm and composed demeanor radiated an aura of serenity. Medical usage. He recognized the flickering lights in his vision as the start of an aura before the seizure. Migraines with aura are often accompanied by visual disturbances, such as seeing zigzag lines. Synonyms. For the general sense: ambience, atmosphere, vibe, mood, energy. Halo. For the medical sense: warning sign, precursor. Thanks for watching. Have you used this word in a sentence before? Let us know below.